feel like this is a lot for just us two.
Super psyched. This place is beautiful. It's gonna be a great day. We're the only ones here. We are kayaking to the big lagoon now. We're Sammy and Tommy, and we are currently in the Philippines. We are on the island of Palawan in El Nido. Sadly, today is our last day in this wonderful country, so we decided to go all out and get a private island hopping boat tour. Good morning.
Good morning. So we have a private boat today. Our driver's already here, so we are running just a touch late, so we are gonna go right now. All right, let's do this boat tour, right? Yes.
5 minutes away from here.
Okay. Appreciate it.
I feel like this is a lot for just us two. This boat is huge for 2 people. They just kayaked us out here and dropped us off, so we're waiting on our captain and our tour guide. But I think it's just gonna be 4 people on this huge boat. I'm so excited.
So he said there's over 3,000 boats here. That is our tour guide and captain. Hello.
No.
Hello.
It's a big boat.
Yeah, it's good for 18 people.
So far this is awesome. We got this whole boat to ourselves. We do have like 4 members of the crew.
Yeah.
So a cook and 2 captains and our tour guide.
I feel like we have our own staff.
We're headed to the secret lagoon first.
Oh yeah.
That gets the most crowded, so he's taking us there first stop.
Secret lagoon, everyone knows it's not so secret, so we're going there right now.
That's why we paid the extra money to get our own boat, so we'd actually leave at 7:30 instead of 9 o'clock. Super psyched. This place is beautiful. It's gonna be a great day. This island in front of us here is called Lamb Island. So out of all the islands here, this is the largest. Like we're getting close. Secret lagoon is right back in there. We're heading to it. So cool. Gosh, we're the only ones here.
Alright, time to head into Secret Lagoon right over there. Heck yeah, I'm going to get in the water. I'm coming, I just don't want to get cut on the rock.
You're good, take your time. Alright, we're entering the secret lagoon.
Yeah.
And it's still a secret this morning.
Everyone's butt's wearing it down, it's nice and soft. It is still secret. Wow, this is so cool. Dinosaur cave, yeah. So then there's the beach here. Look at all the little dogs that live on this little island. Huh? Dog's Island.
So we're just now leaving the secret lagoon. It lived up to the hype. We were also the only ones there.
It was awesome. And we're here at our second stop, which is Shimmer Island.
Help her out.
Shimmer Island.
Perfect, thank you.
And this stop is snorkeling.
Finished snorkeling. It was so awesome. We saw so many different fish, just the colors and all the creatures. It was really cool. And we saw our first turtle. It surfaced a couple times. Perfect day so far.
This is our third stop. It's kayaking at Big Lagoon, and also there's small lagoon over here too. So.
All right, we are kayaking to the Big Lagoon now.
I like it. When you're in Big Lagoon, you just kayak around to the backside, and then there's this whole little stream that you can kayak in. It's very cool.
Washington.
Yeah? We're all Washington? That's very nice. I don't know if we'll be able to fit through there. Just lean back with it. Not a bad way to spend our last day in the Philippines. Just gonna let him do all the work. Made it back to our trusty steed. Thank you.
Like the place?
Yeah, it's beautiful in there.
This water is so dark blue. It is beautiful. I haven't seen any water like such a pretty blue. So now I believe we're heading to this beach over here to grab some lunch and relax.
So we just made it to Papaya Beach, and so there's just like a beach here to relax on. There's a little bar over there where you can buy drinks, snorkeling, and lunchtime.
We crossed the bay. It was like a 30-minute ride across.
I love our boat. We got like a deck on the top, so I got to sunbathe the whole time. It's so good.
And the sand here, it's like putting our feet in powder.
It's so soft. It's probably the softest sand I've ever felt.
It just feels so good and relaxing on your feet.
Oh, it's so good. All right, time for Tommy's sexy swing. He always makes me do the sexy swing. The sexy swing.
Here we go.
And I hate it. I like the little flick of the sand.
Cucumbers are so pretty. The fish looks bomb. Looks like we got some barbecued chicken. We really enjoyed Papaya Beach. This is probably my favorite beach yet, would you say?
It's like my favorite beach ever. I love this beach. The sand is so silky smooth, the water is so clear and refreshing. It's not hot water.
Yeah.
There's tons of shade trees. There's a bar with drinks, but it's still like very rustic. It's like a hut. So, I mean, like what more could you want out of a beach?
No kidding.
It's amazing.
So we're heading out now and heading to our last stop.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating.
Arrived at our last destination, Apil Beach.
People in the bar, I don't really mind.
Last stop, that's
All
sad.
the woo goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying.
All right, you guys, we had a spectacular day. This is one of the best days on our trip yet.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something
You're gonna
special.
get strong,
I'm
huh?
sure.
Every day doing that.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Thank you, Captain. Thank you for the food. The food was delicious, man. So good. Thank you. Thank you for everything, man. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Heck yeah. And a great day. So we made it back to our place. Excellent day. Tour A, we definitely recommend it. It was very special, unique. We haven't experienced anything like it. The best beaches we've been to.
That tour was great.
We're done for the day. We gotta pack up. We are heading out. We are traveling for the next 2 days.
No, we're traveling till Sunday.
Yeah, so yeah, next 3 days.
But we have some layovers. We'll update you guys on everything, but it should be super, super fun.
Yeah, we're psyched.
Yeah,
We
very
wanted to go to
psyched.
this new destination for a long time, so.
Yes.
But we'll see you in the morning. Big travel day.
Mm-hmm.